is fine. Apa yang ada ini? No money, no. I love to make.
Here, and I don't know. I mean, and my flight back home is on the 22nd. So I just that I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna come to.
Me, young like you, and football acting, but not playing. Remember my goal is what? 2004.
A lot of fun. Yeah, I know. I wanted to go.
Local people?
Local. I met her on the plane. She doesn't know. She said she's from Pulau, but she doesn't know. She doesn't know that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no, she lives there. She just finished school. She's an English teacher. Yeah, she's speaking very good English. I was surprised. And she's like, she studied. She said, you speak very good English too.
Just me after tsunami every day like this. If you want now, this morning, some from country French people. His name I go back. His name Anton. It's so big, very talented. After where to stay? And then there was one girl. His name Florence. Stay in Lyon. Yes, to usually I'm tourist. I just to yeah, coming here, why not? Muhaba, only speaking like that. Muhaba. Bob, come back, you said to Bob. Muhaba, Bob. Muhaba. Muhaba. Ito ba so?
Ya bang, kan?
Ini kan dua, nanti kan? Noodle on the top.
Tinggal lagi.
You drive? You drive so fast?
Hang on.
Aku datang.
You go faster?
Yeah, it's 1 hour.
I'm not tired, no. I slept a lot in Singapore. I went to bed I was so tired when I got to Singapore. I went to bed at 7 p.m. And I slept until 5 a.m. Not the same, yeah, it's 12 hours different. And I had some and I went to where I stayed in Singapore and we had AC like that. And I slept until 5 a.m.
Banyak. Banyak video lah.
It was ice cold. Coffee and it was a big one like this, but it wasn't as strong as the same. Is it new?
Hasilnya lewat ini.
50 minutes.
Ini kalau kamu itu
By BULEK, by
One people.
I read it was 60 for one plate.
Yeah.
But only sharing.
Yeah.
You can do by this. don't know. From what I was saying,
Sudah saja.